Yes, again, we're going to look at something else, which is steps followed when you are creating a formula in Microsoft Excel. First of all, when you want to create a formula in Microsoft Excel, we're going to uh, create two values that we are going to be using as a sample. So in this case, I'm going to say value 1, which is 45, and then value 2, which is 58. So to create a formula, you need to enter a starting value into a cell. The starting value into a cell, start by entering the value or numbers that you want to use in the formula. Of course, we've done that. We've said you need to start entering the values as a sample values that you want to use in the formula. After that, you enter the equal sign in one of the cells that you have selected. This tells Excel that you are entering a formula. So I will type equal sign. After that, enter the required mathematical operators. You can use addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division to modify the values you've entered. So from here, after entering the equal sign, I need to do what? I need to select the value in one of the cells that I've just entered. So after selecting the value, now you see that in this I get H14. The meaning of H14 is that this is just the cell reference of 45, meaning it is the address or the name of the box where 45 lies. So after that, I'm going to use one of the operators like plus for addition, minus for subtraction. Then I can now use one of the operators, say plus, to add. So I will select the second value, which is 68. By clicking on that or by selecting that, I will get I14. I14 is the cell name or the box name or the cell reference of 68. So after doing that, now I've seen my formula already is now almost done. The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to press enter to finalize the formula, and it will display the final result. After that, go ahead and click enter, and then you see the final result displayed. What about if I want to use a function? So I'm going to select one of the cell, and then I'll go ahead and type equal sign to tell Excel that I want to do a calculation. After that, I will put sum instead of, because I want to add the number, and the sum, the function for addition is called the sum function. So I will do that, and then after I will open the parenthesis. After opening the parenthesis, I will now put the first value inside the parenthesis, and the first value is going to be 45. But because I don't want 45, if you want, you can put 45 as a lateral value, say 45, then you put comma, then you put the next value 68. Once you close the parenthesis and then press enter on the keyboard, you still get the same value. What about if I don't want to use the lateral value? Instead, I want to use the cell reference. I'll go ahead and type equal sign to tell Excel that, hey, I want to do calculation. Go ahead and type the name of the function, sum. Open the parenthesis and put the first value, which is H14, and then separate it with comma, and then put the second value, then close the parenthesis. After that, go ahead and press enter. You will get the same answer. What about if I want to use the range? Type equal sign and type the name of the function. After that, open the parenthesis and put the first value. Put the range. The range is represented with a semicolon. Put the range and put the last value, which is I14. I14. After that, all the values will be highlighted. Close the parenthesis and press enter. You will still get the same answer. So in this case, now you can see I've used many different methods to come up with the same answer. Now, this is how we can generate a formula and use the formula to do different kind of numerical calculations. So, to summarize a formula, if you are to summarize here in the formula bar, a formula has around 3 main parts. The first one is the equal sign that tells Excel that you want to do calculation. The second one is the name of the function. The third one is the parenthesis, both open and close. Then the third one is the parameters inside the parenthesis, where this is the same as the argument. So once you have understood these terminologies and how to apply them, then calculations in Excel will become easy to you for now and forever. Thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video.